Hello. Today I just started a new YouTube channel, and today we are going to be unboxing some Rubik's Cubes that I bought. So, first one that I'm gonna unbox, I think there's two of them in here. So, we got this one. It's a 4x4. And it looks like, let me open it. Looks like this. I mixed it up because, yeah. But then, yeah. And then the next one is a Pyraminx 3x3. And it looks like this. Has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and it's pretty nice. Oh yeah, I forgot to test out the 4x4. Oh, this is actually a really nice 4x4. I really like it. Looks pretty neat and stuff. But yeah. Okay, and then the last one I saved, well, I think my personal favorite for last. It is a 3x3. So there's like a card or whatever, and there's like an instruction book, and then if you open this up, take it out, it is a 3x3, which is really cool actually. I really like how easy it is to turn, and overall it's just a really nice cube. And so I also, I have this 3x3 Pyraminx and a 2x2, and I'm gonna be posting some videos soon on how to solve them, cause yeah. So thanks for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe.